Dear student, we study about effect of change of temperature. It is our common experience that on heating ice get convert into water and the liquid water on further heating get convert into steam. On the other hand, water vapor when cooled gives water liquid which on further cooling gives ice solid. The transformation of various physical states of water may be described as follow. आइस हीट किया, वाटर में चेंज हो गया, वाटर को और यानी ज़्यादा बॉयल किया तो स्टीम में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। स्टीम को यदि कूल करते हैं वाटर में, वाटर को यदि रेफ्रिजरेशन करते हैं, कूल करते हैं तो आइस में चेंज हो जाती है। एंड इन solid the intermolecular force are very strong and the constant particles of the closely packed on heating the kinetic energy of the particles increase at a stage it becomes sufficient to overcome the boiling binding force in the solids. At this stage solid starts melting and the solid gets converted into liquid. On further heating, the particles in liquid gain more kinetic energy. At the stage, the kinetic energy of the particles becomes so large that the particles are able to free themselves and the liquid starts changing into vapor. In gas, the particles are far away from each other and the particles do not exert any attractive force on each other. On the other hand, we take a ammonium chloride नौशादर। जब अमोनियम क्लोराइड नौशादर को हीट किया जाता है तो सीधा भाप में परिवर्तित हो जाता है, गैस स्टेट में चला जाता है और गैस को भाप को यदि ठंडा किया जाता है तो सॉलिड स्टेट में आ जाता है। इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट व्हेन ये सब्सटेंस इज कन्वर्टेड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू गैसेस स्टेज विदाउट अंडरगोइंग इन लिक्विड स्टेट देन द फिनोमेनन इज कॉल्ड ये sublimation. And melting point, the process in which a solid on heating change in the liquid is called melting or fusion. Conversion of ice into water is a melting, ice melting or fusion change into water. And now we study about boiling and boiling point. Rapid formation and breaking of bubbles in the bulk of a liquid being heated is called boiling. For example, water on boiling gives steam. Water boiling gives steam. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. During boiling, particles from the bulk of the liquid gain enough energy to get converted to vapor. And now we study about effect of change of pressure. When we have learned that the state of matter can be changed into another by changing the temperature. Pressure is another factor which can also change the state of matter. For example, gas can be changed into liquid by increasing the pressure or by the decreasing the temperature. Similarly, some solids like solid CO2 or dry ice can be changed into gases on decreasing the pressure. Take a gas in a cylinder and apply pressure on it by piston as shown in diagram. At low pressure, the volume of the gas as well as in interparticles space are very large, but interparticles force of attraction is very weak. As pressure is increased, the gas gets compressed the interparticles space become less and interparticles force of attraction become stronger. As a result of the gaseous state is changed into the liquid state. As pressure is further increased or under very high pressure, the volume is further decreased, due to which the interparticles force attraction become very strong. Liquid state is converted into solid state. So we can say that solid, sublimation gases, and gas condensation liquid, and liquid fusion solid. Solidification into liquid, and liquid is vaporization gas, and gas is deposition in solid. Interconversation of the three states of matter.